Hi, I'm Dr. Kelsey Cowden. I'm a family medicine physician, and I've been with Community Physician Network since 2021. I started out in undergrad as a dietetics major, so I was really interested in nutrition. And I kind of figured out through that I wanted to help patients in more than just nutrition, but other aspects of their lives. And so I knew pretty early on that I wanted to be a family medicine physician. My approach to medicine is I work as a team with my patients. I want them to know that I'm coming to them with an open heart and open ears, wanting to listen to their side of things and work as a team to develop a plan to care for them in the future. I see full spectrum patients from newborns to geriatric patients. Really just like to approach all aspects of care in family medicine and see all sorts of different patients. So I want my patients to know that they're involved in all aspects of their care, informed in everything, and work with me to kind of figure out what's best for them. So I'm excited to get the opportunity to meet patients for the first time and then care for them and hopefully their children and so on, and so I'm excited about that. So I've lived in Indianapolis for now over 10 years. I live with my husband and we've got a cat. We enjoy going to live concerts, any live music that we can find, finding new restaurants and breweries. I personally love to cook and to bake, and I also do some jewelry making. I'm Dr. Kelsey Cowden. I'm a family medicine physician, and I've been with Community Physician Network since 2021.